When it's time to do your garden, it's often time to trim your hedges, bushes and branches. I bought this Parkside Hedge Trimmer for only 30 euros without the battery. In this video I'm going to see if the hedge trimmer works well and if it doesn't get stuck on branches. Is it good quality in relation to the price? We're going to test that now. Hello my viewers, hello YouTube, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to unbox and test a Parkside 20V cordless hedge trimmer. As you can see, the box doesn't have the logos from Lidl or Parkside on it. It says Grizzly Tools cordless hedge trimmer, and I think that's the manufacturer of all the Parkside and Lidl tools. So let's open it up and see what's inside the box and give it a test. And of course inside there is the Parkside box. So here we have it out of the box, and as you can see it's the cordless hedge trimmer 20V. The model number is PHSA 20Li C3 and it's compatible with all X20V team batteries. That means the normal batteries and also the smart batteries. You can use them all for this machine. It comes with a 3-year warranty, and a battery and charger are not included. The cutting length of the blade is 50.5 centimeters in length, and the maximum diameter of branches you can cut is 1.5 centimeters, 15 millimeters. It also comes with a protection cover, so you can protect the blade. Well, let's open up this box and see what's inside. Of course, the manual in a multiple language. And of course there will be a language in there that you can understand. And there are some specifications on the side, which contains the model number. Feels like a very proper machine. So you have to squeeze it like this. Doesn't look very special, it looks very good, very proper. So let's take it outside for a test. And don't forget, these blades are very sharp. I already have a small cut by just picking it up, so beware of that. As an example, I'm going to show you how sharp these knives are. And those are very sharp. That's why I cut my finger also. But these are as sharp as a knife. So, and for this test I'm going to use the 2 amp hour 20V battery. It's the X20V Team 2 amp hour, as you can see here, the PAP20B1. It needs to be charged, so that's what I'm going to do now. In the meanwhile, I'm going to drink some coffee, and then when it's fully charged, we're going to take it outside and cut the hedge and cut some branches to see how the machine operates. So we're outside. I'm gonna give this one a cut. Have some thick branches, and then also the other one. So I have some branches here to take a good look at how the machine cuts. I'm going to do a test on some different sizes. I have some smaller ones and some bigger ones. The big one is about 1 centimeter, 9 millimeters, and smaller. See how it cuts. I think the big one might got stuck in the machine. Let's find it out. So before I start cutting, I will lubricate the blades just like this, a little bit. So no problem with this small one. Size bigger. So this branch has diameter of 1 centimeter, and the top ones are like 7-8 millimeters. And you see immediately it got stuck. So let's get it off. When I run into it like this, it will break. As you can see, it's fresh wood, fresh branches. And the last one around 8-9 millimeters. Will get stuck. So I'm back inside. I hope I have given you a good impression of this product. My thoughts about this trimmer is that the blades are very sharp and the control buttons are very robust and respond very well. I personally find the blade a bit short. The blade has a length of 55 centimeters, and it would be nice if it has a longer blade for me personally. But as you know, I always bought the Parkside offers. So that's why I bought this one also, because it was only 30 euros. As you could see, it works very well on branches up to a diameter of about 8 millimeters. And it also cuts off 1 centimeter, but that's when you let the machine run and then hit the branches. Then it will cut it off. How strong the durability is, well, I cannot say that because I'm just started using it. But time will tell. I have not noticed any difference in power when using a 2 amp hour or a 4 amp hour. I'm not sure if I showed the 4 amp hour battery, but I did test it and I didn't notice any difference. I'm very satisfied. So, but everybody can have their own opinion, of course. For the price, it's a good Parkside product. So yeah, it's worth buying it. Well, if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you want to see more future videos, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. I really like to receive some comments. Also, if you want to see other products, drop a comment and I will see what I can do. Thanks for watching now.